RamenLegal AI is a groundbreaking new software that promises to revolutionize the way you handle legal tasks with the power of artificial intelligence. In this review, I'm going to share the 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released software. So if you're wondering whether it's the right fit for you, keep watching until the end. And hey, you can try RamenLegal AI for free from the link below, so stick around for that offer. First, RamenLegal AI offers an incredibly efficient way to handle complex legal research. Whether you're a lawyer, paralegal, or someone managing your own legal documents, RamenLegal simplifies the process of finding case law, statutes, and regulations. Instead of spending hours combing through legal databases, this AI tool can pinpoint the most relevant information in seconds. Next, its document drafting feature is something that sets RamenLegal apart. With its intuitive AI-driven technology, you can quickly generate contracts, letters, or legal notices tailored to your specific needs. The software is designed to understand context, meaning it adapts its suggestions based on the documents you're working on. This drastically reduces the time spent on writing and proofreading. Another major highlight is its legal compliance checker. This AI tool scans your documents and checks them against the latest legal standards and regulations. If you're working on contracts or agreements, this can be a game changer. You'll get real-time suggestions for compliance issues and can rest assured knowing that your documents are up to date with the law. For anyone handling litigation, RamenLegal AI's case prediction feature is a must-see. It uses advanced algorithms to analyze past rulings and judge behavior, offering insights into how a case may unfold based on historical data. This isn't just guesswork. This AI tool has been trained on thousands of cases to provide a solid forecast of potential outcomes, which can be a huge asset when making strategic decisions. Now, let's talk about the user experience. RamenLegal AI prides itself on its easy-to-navigate interface. No steep learning curves here. You can dive straight into the software, and with its clean design, you'll find everything you need without feeling overwhelmed. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have no problem utilizing its full range of features. And here's something that really makes RamenLegal stand out: its collaboration tools. This AI software allows teams to work seamlessly together on legal projects. Whether you're in a law firm or a corporate legal department, RamenLegal's shared workspaces and document versioning keep everyone on the same page. It's all about making teamwork more efficient and minimizing mistakes. Finally, pricing. A lot of AI software can be pricey, especially for legal professionals. But RamenLegal AI offers a flexible pricing model that works for individuals and businesses alike. You can choose a plan based on your usage, so it scales with your needs, whether you're handling one case or managing a whole firm. To recap, RamenLegal AI is an all-in-one legal assistant that's designed to save time, improve accuracy, and boost productivity. With its legal research capabilities, document drafting, compliance checking, case prediction, user-friendly interface, collaboration tools, and flexible pricing, it's a comprehensive solution that's well worth exploring. If you're curious to try RamenLegal AI yourself, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free trial. And if you're looking for the best AI tools, after testing thousands of them, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software that you can also try for free. Thanks for watching, and make sure you grab those links below to start optimizing your workflow today.